The brain is the most complex part of the human body. It is found within the bony shell called the skull. The skull acts as a protective covering for the brain. The human brain is unique because it gives us the power to speak, imagine, and solve problems. It is also the seat of intelligence in our body. It can be divided into three main parts called the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest and most highly developed part of the human brain and forms the brain's main part. It is the topmost part of the brain and is the source of all intellectual activities. It stores our memories and helps us to plan, imagine, and think. The cerebellum, or little brain, looks like a wrinkled ball and forms part of the hindbrain and has a highly folded surface. It is associated with the regulation and coordination of movement, posture, and balance. The brainstem is the region of the brain that connects the cerebrum with the spinal cord. It is the lower region of the brain. It transmits the signals between the brain and the spinal cord. It is also responsible for important functions such as breathing.